Alright, mechanic pro tip episode, gloves. If you're new to this and you're thinking about buying that expensive pair of mechanics gloves, just watch this first, yeah? And nitrile gloves. These are great. They are not cut, abrasion or impact resistant, surprisingly, but they will keep any horrible chemicals off of your skin for the most part. Generally speaking, you want to keep as much of this shit off your hands as possible. There is a reason they don't put diesel oil and brake cleaner in oil of Olay. It's bad for you. These are EN 388 light duty gloves. These are cheap as hell. They're like a couple of quid a pair. They have pretty good dexterity for manual handling and sort of finer jobs because they're quite a light glove, but they don't last all that long, which is why they're only a couple of quid each. But for a couple of quid, you wear them out and chuck them out, get a new pair. Moving up. These are EN 388, but they are cut level 5 resistant gloves. So these are abrasion and cut resistant gloves. As you can see, these are well loved. I have worn these, I think this pair I've had for a good few months now. And again, these are, I don't know, 7, 8 quid a pair, but they will last you a very long time. If you want to buy brand name stuff, I don't know, you can pay up to like 12 quid a pair or whatever. They're still cheaper than those mechanics gloves. So nitrile keeps all the muck off your hands. Light duty EN 388, abrasion resistant, good sort of light general service glove. EN 388 level 5, cut resistant, excellent general handling mechanics work glove. Don't spend dumb money on fancy gloves. Just get a pair of these, yeah, wear a pair of them underneath it, and you're good. It will keep all the shit off your hands, and then when you want to be a bit more dexterous, you can take the outer glove off and just have these. See you next time.